From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 38. So today we will talk about this grammar format. Noun が adjectives. So this is the grammar format for today. Body part が adjective. So this grammar format is used to talk about a part or feature of a person.And you are focusing on just one characteristic of that person. For example, he has long legs, or he has long hair, she has big eyes, and so on. So you are only focusing on just one characteristic of that person. For example,She has big eyes. 彼女は目が大きい。So, 目 this is her body part, eye. Then, が particle and lastly adjective, 大きい big. So, when you talk about someone's characteristic or focusing on just one,characteristic, one specific body part of the person, we use this grammar format. And if the listener knows who you are talking about, you can omit the very first part and you can just say 目が大きい. That works too. This word is called a topic marker. That is,You can indicate the topic of the sentence, the topic of the conversation using this word. So if it says 彼女は then we understand that you are talking about 彼女 and the topic of the sentence is 彼女 And you can add this at the end to make the sentence formal.So without this, the sentence becomes casual. So before we do an exercise, I will introduce you to these important body parts vocabularies. Head is 頭 face 顔 eye 目 ear 耳 nose 鼻mouth, 口 neck, 首 arm, 腕 hand, 手 stomach, お腹 height, back, 背 leg, 足 hair, 髪 teeth, 歯 So, you might need.These vocabularies in the following exercise. So, if you need, please take a memo of these vocabularies and then move on to the exercise. So, this is the exercise for today. Please translate the sentences into Japanese using the body parts vocabularies. Stop the video and when you are ready, please come back.Now the answers. He has long legs. 彼は足が長い。So the body part we are talking right now is leg, which is 足 in Japanese. So body part, が particle, then lastly adjective, long, 長い。And we are talking about him. The topic of the sentence is 彼 Therefore, 彼は But once again, if the listener knows you are talking about him, then you can omit 彼は and you can just say 足が長い That's fine too. And if you add this at the end, the sentence becomes formal. Now this is casual. Next one. She has short hair. 彼女は髪が短い。Now the body part we are talking about is hair. 髪。Therefore, body part が then lastly adjective 短い short. And because the topic of the sentence is 彼女, it's 彼女 plus wa particle. Third one, the baby has small hands. 赤ちゃんは手が小さい。So, the body part is hands, which is 手。So, body part が particle, then lastly adjective 小さい small. And now the topic of the sentence is the baby 赤ちゃん。Therefore, 赤ちゃんは手が小さい。And again, if the listener knows who you are talking about, you can omit 赤ちゃんは。Last one, my dog has big ears. 私の犬は耳が大きい。So, the body part is ears, 耳。Body part が particle, then lastly adjective, big, 大きい。So, with this grammar format, you cannot only talk about the characteristics of someone, but also animals. Okay. So if you have any questions about this grammar format, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. Lastly, I have this homework for you. Please translate the sentences into Japanese. I will put those new vocabularies in the description below so that you can refer to them when you do the homework. So very good job. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。